Bangon na. I didn't know how powerful these words are until last Sunday, when I heard it from the character of Papa June in the movie Unhappy for You. Realization visited me that time. At oo nga no, there were days that we allow ourselves to grieve, to be sad, to deal our heartaches and pain, but sometimes we felt comforted to stay there in the longest time. Ayaw nating umusad, ayaw nating tumuloy sa buhay, at ayaw na nating bumangon ulit. But then I realized that it is such a big blessing to have someone who will never let us drown. Blessing din pala yung mga taong tumatapik sa atin. Blessing yung mga taong gumigising sa atin. Yung mga taong hahayaan tayo to take our time to heal, but will never let the chance to sleep away to wake us up when it is time. Dear, bangon na. The night is temporary, and there will always be joy in the morning. Your present troubles are not yet your destination. May gaganda pa ang buhay mo, may uusad pa. Masakit ngayon, pero hindi yan panghabang buhay. One day, you will love again. I'm sure you will. With love and prayers, Noel.